Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Wallet and checking Apple Cash is active. Do this now so you can accept funds. Once done, make sure your device is updated and biometric security is enabled for quick approvals. You'll also want a linked bank account to move money out. Add it in Settings Wallet if absent. This initial step prevents common blocks and establishes ID verification. Why it matters is limits and transfer speed, so don't skip it. You can receive funds via messages or by sharing a payment link. Open a conversation, tap the Apple Pay button, enter the precise amount, then choose Request. Once the sender authorizes, you'll get a notification and the money appears in Apple Cash instantly. That's how the flow works. If someone sends instead of requests, accept the payment in Messages or Wallet. Also, review wallet activity to confirm the transaction cleared and to spot any pending. Once money is in Apple Cash, transfer it to your bank using Instant or Standard Transfer. Choose Instant for a fee or 1-3 business days for free. You should confirm completion by checking wallet activity and your bank balance. If a transfer or receipt fails, recheck your identity verification, bank routing, and daily limits, then retry. Often toggling Wi-Fi or restarting the app fixes hiccups. One key tip: if payments stall, verify Apple Cash restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.